Here's a new carpet from Shelby at TN Wings, 1966 Cessna 150F model. You can see how it's finished very nicely around the center console. All the edges are finished like that. Here's the back. This has the child seat installed. Excellent workmanship. Excellent. Highly recommend it. All the edges are bound on this carpeting. All of them. There's not a single spot where that carpet's going to fray over the years. Perfect fit around everything. Everything's covered nicely. Call Shelby if you need carpet. He's your guy.